Hey folks, what we have here is a 2012 RAV4. Customer states the high beam is out. Right here. See it? The driver's side high beam is out. Low beam and the high beam on this side works. I'm going to show you where it is located. Now, high beam's on the inside. So look in the back here. I got a light flashing on it. I'll give you a little flashlight on it too. Let's see if we can find it. All right. It's going to be this one right here. Okay. This here is your high beam. Your low beam is the other one, which is this wire on the inside. All right. That's the headlight adjuster. It's actually right to the right side of that, depending on how you're looking at it. All right. So this one here is the high beam, which is the one that is out. It's right behind this battery. It's easy to get to. Same thing on the other side. I'll show you on this side. The high beam is right here. I'm going to point to it. All right. It's that one right there. You get through it right through this little coolant reservoir and the two hoses, and you grab it right in there. But we're going to do the driver's side. The driver's side got this little fluorescent light there. Should be able to grab it. Let me see if I can grab it. Then I'll set you up on a tripod here when we change it out. These have already been changed, the LEDs. That's why you got the long wire. All right, so that one there, just gonna grab it. Lefty loosey. As soon as I grab it, and it pulls right out. All right, lefty loosey, pull it right out, and there's the plug. The plug, you just got to push in this little tab over here and it'll disconnect. All right, let me put you on the tripod here so I'll show you how it disconnects. All right, hold on. All right, here you go. This is the LED that was replaced several years ago. Like most bulbs, they go eventually. All right, push this little tab right here. This thing will disconnect. All right, put that off to the side. Get your new LED, whichever brand you want to get. There's usually a little notch. It only goes in one way. Plug it in. We'll see if it works. Dun, 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 dun. Didn't work. Well, it goes this way. Let's try it. There it is. All right. Must be universal. It's got two little notches there, so it fits either way. But it only worked one way. All right. So now we're going to take this now. Don't touch the bulb. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to find a little slot that it was in. The little hole. I'm going to plug it in. All right. Let's see. Let's move you out of the way for a little bit while I get in there. Dun, 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 dun. And only should go in one way. Righty-tighty. And we're in. Now I just got to get you out of here. There you go. How's that? Okay. High beam. RAV4. Pretty easy to get to. Right through here, people. All right. This is the brand that I used. Got it online. All right. I don't know what brand this one is, but like most bulbs, they will go eventually. All right. And I'll change them as they go, because they both look the same, LEDs. So I don't have to change them in pairs. I'm just going to change them as they go, as long as they're technically LED. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.